So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video of cyber introduction to cybersecurity. And in this course, as you know that we are discussing the basic concepts of cybersecurity, whether it's confidentiality, integrity, availability, or whether it's cryptography, whether it's basic analysis or whatsoever. So, side by side, I want you to be hands on the cybersecurity practical part. So for that, this is the first video of the series of this practical portion in which we will establish a lab and we'll see how to install and download this Kali Linux in our VirtualBox machine. So what you have to do is you have to write Kali, and then first link you have to enter on first. You have to click on the first link. Then you can see there's this get Kali at the top. You have to click on it. I have this the internet connection sucks. You have to bear with me. Then you have to go down. There is this this installer image sort of a thing will come. So you can see this. You have to download the first stuff which appears. This is known as like installer 64. This is going to be the ISO file of Kali Linux, and you have to click on this arrow sign. Once you click on it, it will start download. As I have already downloaded this thing, so you can see. So this file will appear in your downloads. Now, what else you have to do is that you have to download the VirtualBox. For that, you have to write VirtualBox in Google or in your browser. Then you have to click on the first link. Then this website will appear in which you have to download. You have to click on this button, download VirtualBox 7.0, whatsoever will appear. So it will start downloading. So as I've already downloaded to save your time, so this is going to appear. This installation wizard is going to appear. You have to click on it. So it's preparing for installation. You have to click on next, and keep the things as default. You have to click on finish. Now what next? So there should be this box should appear. You can see this Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. Here you have to click on this add button. Once you click on this add button, now you have to choose that Kali Linux file which you have downloaded initially. So you have to click on that link. And once you click on open, so this Kali Linux will boot up in your virtual machine, VirtualBox, and you have to click on the start. Now it will take some time, and it will load your Kali machine. So here I would like to tell you that the default username and password of Kali Linux is Kali and Kali. Default username is also Kali and password is also Kali. So here you have to enter this Kali as a default username, and enter your password is also Kali. So this is general interface or general, GUI graphics of this Kali Linux, and this is known as terminal, on which I just clicked, and here you can enter your commands and stuff. So how we are going to take it further? We have established this lab, and we'll next video we will discuss the basic commands, and I'll get you hands-on with the Kali Linux and all the commands which are necessary to go ahead. We will discuss all such commands. So stay tuned, and we are gonna be cybersecurity experts soon. Thank you. Stay tuned.